Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub oil seal. This product is made of NBR rubber and metal. Look, there is with a spring. In the size is internal diameter is 66 and external diameter there is 133 and the sink is 14. This product has many following features. It's applicable to ISUZU heavy truck and this OEM number is 909924701. It has long service life, more wear resistance, and vulcanizes at a low temperature. Good abrasion resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Multiple water is applicable to heavy truck and ISUZU. Welcome to inquire and order.